911, what is your emergency?
Can I have officers come to my house?
Okay, what's going on?
My husband's drunk and he's being aggressive and he's throwing stuff.
How many people are inside of the house?
Well, right now I'm in the room with my children and the older children are here, my mom and my brother and my sister.
Okay, so how many adults total are inside?
3.
3. And 3 children?
Four adults and it's 5 children.
He white, black, Hispanic, or Native?
He's Hispanic.
How old is he?
33.
33.
He's wearing basketball shorts.
What color shirt?
He's coming back inside. Burgundy tank top.
He's back inside?
Yeah, he's walking back outside.
Is he known to carry any weapons?
Well, he had a gun right now, but I don't know if it's, I think it's a police horse gun. He's like,
does he have it on him?
Yeah, but I think it's a police gun. But now he's saying that, watch how you're gonna end up, or a widow.
Hold on a minute. Put the gun down. Put the gun down, police. Hey.
He's coming out.
Hold on a minute. Put the gun down. Put the gun down, police. Put the gun down.
998.
Show us your hands.
Show us your hands. Guns are pointing westbound.
All right, keep going.
Keep your hands up. Don't move up from there.
This is a photograph of the gun that the suspect had, a Glock replica BB gun.